and their uses. Prepositions are used to express the relationship or pronoun to the rest of the sentence. The noun or pronoun connected or which are connected by the preposition is known as the object that we have earlier practically seen. Preposition can be sometimes categorized into time prepositions, then place prepositions, and the direction or moment prepositions. The time prepositions at, in, on, for, during, since, by, until, before, after, to, past. For example, there is a film at noon we could see. At noon, we are meeting him in an hour. In an hour, time indicating. So in time preposition. Next, some place indicating prepositions at, in, at, in, on, by, near, close, close to, next to, beside, between, behind, in front of, above, over, below, under. These are the prepositions indicating places. For example, the cat on the roof, wishing at us or looking at us. Looking at us. The cat on the roof. Next, looking behind the shade. On the roof, look behind the shade. Behind the shade, the place indicating prepositions. The prepositions which can be used for indicating the direction are to, from, over. You remember at the time of solving the things, time or moment indicating prepositions to, from, over, under, around, across, through, into, out, out of, toward or toward us, away from, and off, off means away from, up, down. For example, the house down the road is being sold. Then they drove across the country. Here, reason or purpose, for, through, because of, on account of. For example, I have a separate computer for work. When noun or pronoun is or modified, it is adjectival. And when work is modified, at that time it is They left early because of the storm. Internet connection is unstable. Right? I was clear. Now, here is the list of prepositional phrases. Preposition come with some nouns. Sometimes it comes with adjectives. Sometimes it comes with verbs. Here is the list of prepositions with the words. We must heart. Some particular prepositions come with particular words. For example, access to. For example, I couldn't enter the building without access to the door's password. Addiction to is a pair of preposition. To is addiction. Addiction to. This will come in the sentence like this only. For example, Alison has an addiction to football. We are learning the correct uses of prepositions now. Answer to. Her answer to the teacher's question incorrect. Next, approach to. Professor Smith's approach to the experiment was incredibly innovative. Dear friends, do these prepositions or the pair of prepositions or some prepositions come with some noun, adjective and adverb? Learn by them by heart is very important as far as our SBI entrance. Then damage to. The damage to the car is worse than I thought it would be. To has come with damage. It's important. Next, dedication. So to is coming with dedication. Nisha has intention to her schoolwork. Dedication to. Next is devotion to. Everyone admired the doctor's devotion to patients. Reaction to. The child had an adorable reaction to. Then response to. She gave no response to the question I asked her. Then admiration for. He has so much admiration for her, for his mother. Cure for. Health officials recently announced that a cure for the fatal disease had been found. Now desire for. For has come with desire. For has come with cure. To has come with threat. With response. With devotion. Then hope for. You have high hopes for humanity. Need for. For has come with the need. Need for social interaction is a basic human trait. Then passion for. You have to learn by heart these ways only. Passion for, hope for, desire for, reason for. There is always a reason for change. Respect for. Certain cultures promote respect for elders. Room for. There is room for one person at this table. There is room for one more person at this table. Then you should always have sympathy for strangers. Talent for. He has a talent stand-up comedy. Fear of is with fear. My niece has a fear of the. Then habit of. I used to have a habit of biting my fingernails. Intention of. You have any intention of going out today? Then knowledge of. His knowledge of beekeeping is impressive. Then his knowledge of English is impressive. Then lack of. Police cannot arrest him due to a lack of evidence. Lack of. Correct use in the sentence. Then memory of. I have no memory of my first year. Next. Apologize for. Ask for. The student asked for a pencil, means he demanded a pencil. Beg. The man begged for a second chance. Care for. Fight for. Some important sentences will be taken. This list of prepositional phrases are important. Care for. I don't care for salads. Fight for. Generations of people have fought for freedom. Many generations of people have fought for freedom. Fought for. Fight. Fought is the past tense of fight. Then hope for. The family is hoping for a miracle. Long for. To be desirous. For. The man who's going to pay for these tickets, whose means who is going these tickets. Provide for. Parents are expected to provide for their children. Search for. Did you search for the missing piece 8? Next, wait for. I'm waiting for the bus. Wish for. Some people wish nothing but fame. Wish for. Work for. She works for the government. 2. You will adjust to your new school in no time. Admit to. He admitted to reading her diary. Belong. The wallet belongs to that woman over there. Travel to. I am traveling to England tomorrow. Listen to. She is listening to music in her room. Relate to. Relate to. I can't relate to her at all. Respond to. Josh responded to his friend's email. Responded is the past. Respond. Talk to. He talked for more than an hour. Turn to. Turn to page 46 for a diagram of the procedure. About. Look at here. About is a preposition come with these words. Ask about. Care about. She doesn't seem to care about going to college. Means she is not careful about going to college. Complain about. The boy is early curfew. Then forget about. About is a preposition come with forget. And the correct it in sentence. I forgot about the wedding reception. Forgot is the past tense of forget. Here about the renovation project. Joke about. He often jokes about her high-pitched voice. Know about. What do you know about physics? Laugh, learn about, talk about. What are you talking about? Then think about, worry about. So many adults or the grown-ups worry about getting older. Write about. Dean wrote about his day in his journal. Compete with. When I run races, I only compete with the clock. Cope with. It's not easy to cope with failure. To come over with the failure. Cope with means disagree. Disagree with. She disagrees with my suggestion. Remember the list of prepositional phrases. They will come as it is in the sentence. Interfere. Be careful not to interfere with the conference upstairs. Approve of. Ellen doesn't approve of her sister's friends. Next, consist of. Pizza consists of bread, cheese, and tomato sauce. Dream of. I dream of visiting Europe. Hear of. Have a TV show. Take care of. Who will take care of your goldfish while you are away? Think of. Think of failure, you will never take any risk. Think of. Believe in. The majority of children believe in Santa Claus. In. He likes to engage in political debates. Invest in. Now is the time to invest as many companies as possible. Live in. Participate in. What sports did you participate in as a kid? Result in. Failure to exterminate the bed bug resulted in fewer customers at bulk at excel at means good at laugh at. The boy couldn't stop laughing at Isabella's joke. Look at the whiteboard, please. Nod at. She nodded at her co-workers. Shout at, stare at, agree on, bet on. I wouldn't bet on that happening. Comment on, focus on. He is trying to concentrate on his work or he is trying to focus on his assignments. Decide on, depend on, depend on. You can't depend on him forever. Too many students rely on the internet to conduct research, elaborate on, experiment on, insist on, operate on. Aspiring surgeons learn how to operate on people, operate on, plan on, benefit from, come from, differ from. Then from the prisoners escaped from their captors, recover from, the girl recovered from her illness, resign from, the CEO, the chief executive officer resigned from her position with company, he retired from his job last year, suffer from, many people suffer from social anxiety. Then decide against, we decided against visiting my account. Decided is the past form of decide. Then crash into, The car nearly crashed into a tree. I feel like adventure. So this was the list of some particular prepositional. The prepositions, their categories, and their correct uses in the sentences. You have to learn prepositions with the prepositional phrases by heart. Prepositions. Now, 5 minutes. Okay. For the next 5 minutes, we will have doubt session. We will have doubt session. One student at a time. And before asking any question, you have to raise your hand only. You will be given the time. Please. Yes, Om, please. Sir, Mulana. Om.
Sir, in prepositional phrases,
Yes.
access to is full preposition or only to is preposition?
Access to.
Access to is all
Access is the verb and to is the preposition.
yes.
Access is and to is preposition. I have told you prepositions when come in pair, it comes with sometimes the noun, sometimes and sometimes verb. Access is verb
Okay.
and to is
Yes.
preposition. Next, come
Thank
in.
you, sir.
Samin. आपल्याकडं पण मुलगी जॉईन आहे का शीतल इथं का हा याच्यात काय किती नंबरला पहा वरून 1 2 3 4 5 नंबर मुलाचं नाव आहे अटलकर कोणी आहे का आपल्याकडे हा पावर काय मुलांनी काय केलं आपले पासवर्ड आणि आयडी दुसरा देऊन टाकले Hello, ask.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Hello, ask.
Sir, there is a sentence in which I can't tell what preposition would be used.
We have 5 minutes. Ask. Danish.
Sir, can I ask that?
Atalkar, ask the question.
Sir,
First of all, tell me what is your full name?
Dushyant Atalkar.
Raise your voice. Siddharth.
Dushyant Atalkar. Can I ask my doubt?
What is your name, Atalkar?
Dushyant Atalkar.
Are you paid amount?
No, this is my demo session.
Okay.
So can I ask my doubt?
Yes. Yes.
So, sir, please tell me what would be the preposition used in this sentence? She is blind
What
dash
will?
one eye. What will be the
What will be
preposition
the?
used in this sentence? Preposition used in this sentence. She is blind dash
Ask the
one
question
eye.
correctly.
She is blind dash one eye.
आवाज नाही येत. तेच चालू करू कसं? हा करा. गेला म्यूट करून घे. म्यूट करा. गेला चालू कर.
Hello.
Yes.
Now ask.
She is blind dash one eye.
She is
Blind dash one eye.
page number.
No, this is my doubt. There is no page number.
Explain your question, please.
Okay, sir.
Hello.
What would be the preposition used in this sentence? She is blind dash one eye.
She is blind.
काय करायचं?
Dash one eye.
She is blind dash
कोण जॉईन नाही?
One eye.
one eye.
Yes.
आउट तू बाहेर गेला होता का? एक्झिट झाला होता का?
What would be the preposition used then?
ते
Actually,
मीटिंग मध्ये होतं.
with the blind, we can use blind in, blind for. Okay.
Yes.
Sometimes it depends on the sense of the sentence, because
Okay.
one preposition just cannot go with one word. One noun can have many prepositions with it. One adjective and one word can have many prepositions. According to the noun plus particular preposition, the meaning can change.
Okay.
Yes. Next.
Yeah, only this much.
Next, student. Actually, there are thousands of prepositional phrases, and this one is very particular, designed for your SPI entrance by our Asta Defense Academy. Learn these prepositional phrases with their correct uses in the sentences. Siddharth, please.
ते भेंडे आहे का भेंडे? कुठे आहे? अडीच हजार.
Siddharth,
आणि हे गावंडे. हे भेंडे ऑलरेडी आहे सर. गावंडे. कुठे नाही. एक भेंडे आहे कांद्याची भेंडे. नाही भेंडीला पूर्ण पेट केले, गव्हाळ्याने अडीच केले. दोन्ही आहे.
last minute, please. Siddharth.